Careful. Teach that curtain who's boss. Or just adjust the settings. Hey Naomi, how old are you? How old are you? 1. 1. Good job! Yay! Yay! Oh, here comes my pal. Naomi, how old are you? Say 1. 1. 1. Yay! Alright, you're too close. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.